Remember those giant spreadsheets and calculators accountants used to lug around? They were practically the size of a small car and just as cumbersome. Accountants would spend hours, if not days, meticulously entering data and double-checking every single number. It was a tedious and time-consuming process that left little room for error. Well, those days are about as gone as your chances of winning the lottery. Just like that crumpled ticket, the old ways of accounting have been tossed aside in favor of something much more efficient and reliable. Enter the Accounting Information System, or AIS for short. Basically, a high-tech accountant in a computer. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a revolutionary change in how businesses handle their finances. Think of it as a super-powered digital ledger that tracks all the money coming in and going out of a company. It's like having a financial watchdog that never sleeps, constantly monitoring and recording every transaction with pinpoint accuracy. And we're not just talking about simple addition and subtraction here. AIS can handle complex financial calculations, analyze trends, and even predict future financial outcomes based on historical data. This thing can generate reports faster than you can say tax audit, and it can even help managers make smarter decisions, theoretically at least. Imagine getting a detailed financial report at the click of a button, without having to wait for days. From tiny startups to massive corporations, businesses of all sizes are turning to AIS to streamline their accounting processes. It's not just about saving time, it's about making the entire financial operation more efficient and less prone to human error. Because let's be honest, nobody likes doing paperwork, not even accountants, and especially not robots. With AIS, the mundane tasks are automated, freeing up human accountants to focus on more strategic and analytical roles, making their jobs more interesting and impactful. So, what makes AIS so special? Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of the accounting world, except instead of a tiny pair of scissors, it's got tools to manage and analyze financial data. Sales, expenses, customer details, employee records, you name it, AIS can track it. It's like having a personal assistant for your finances, except this one doesn't judge your questionable spending habits. This treasure trove of information is crucial for making informed decisions, tracking performance, and ensuring your company doesn't go bankrupt. And let's not forget about those pesky financial regulations. AIS helps businesses stay compliant and audit-ready, which is about as exciting as it sounds. Believe it or not, even the most sophisticated robot accountant needs a little help from us humans. From data entry clerks to financial analysts, the people behind the scenes are crucial to the success of any AIS. Think of it like this. AIS is the fancy car, but humans are the drivers, mechanics, and occasionally the ones who spill coffee on the upholstery. Training, communication, and a clear understanding of everyone's roles are essential. After all, a well-trained team is less likely to accidentally crash the system, though let's be honest, it happens to the best of us. Like any good organization or dysfunctional family, AIS relies on rules, or as we like to call them in the business world, procedures. These guidelines ensure that everyone is on the same page and things run smoothly. Think of them as the instruction manual for the AIS, except hopefully, these are slightly less confusing than the ones you get with IKEA furniture. Clear, concise instructions are key to minimizing errors and reducing training time. After all, the last thing you want is your accounting system crashing because someone misread Step 7, Subsection B, Paragraph 2. Section 5. AIS Component Number 3. Data. Data everywhere and not a drop to drink? Data is the lifeblood of any AIS. It's the fuel that keeps the engine running, the information that drives decisions. Sales orders, invoices, payroll records, inventory levels, AIS captures and processes it all. Think of it like this. If AIS is a giant data-hungry monster, then data is its all-you-can-eat buffet. But here's the catch. The accuracy and reliability of that data are paramount. Feed the AIS bad data, and you'll get bad results, like your company accidentally declaring bankruptcy. So, yeah, data quality matters. Section 6, AIS Component Number 4, Software, the brains behind the operation. Software is the engine that powers the AIS machine. It's the brains behind the operation, the code that makes it all work. From off-the-shelf accounting software packages to custom-built systems, there's a dizzying array of options available. Choosing the right software is like choosing the right pair of shoes. It needs to fit your needs and not fall apart after a week. Reliability, security, user-friendliness, and scalability are all key factors to consider. And don't forget about those regular software updates. Nobody wants to be caught with an outdated system in the middle of a cyber attack. Section 7, AIS Component Number 5, IT Infrastructure, keeping the lights on, literally. IT infrastructure is the backbone of any AIS. It's the unsung hero that ensures everything runs seamlessly. It's the hardware, networks, and systems that keep everything running smoothly. Without it, businesses would come to a standstill. Think of it as the foundation of the house, the plumbing, the electrical wiring, all the stuff you don't really think about until it breaks. Servers, workstations, printers, routers, firewalls, these are just some of the components that make up the IT infrastructure. Each piece plays a critical role in the overall functionality, and trust us, you want this stuff to work. Regular maintenance, backups, and updates are essential to keep everything in top shape. A solid disaster recovery plan is crucial. It ensures that in the event of a failure, systems can be restored quickly and efficiently. Because the last thing you want is your entire accounting system going down because someone tripped over a cable. Proper cable management and regular checks can prevent such mishaps. Investing in IT infrastructure is not just about avoiding disasters, it's about enabling growth and innovation. With a robust infrastructure, businesses can scale and adapt to new challenges. So next time you see an IT technician, remember they're the ones keeping the lights on, literally and figuratively. Section 8, AIS, your compliance and efficiency BFF. Remember those pesky financial regulations we mentioned earlier? Well, AIS is your new best friend when it comes to compliance. It helps businesses stay organized, efficient, and audit-ready, which is about as fun as it sounds. But here's the silver lining. By streamlining accounting processes and reducing errors, AIS can actually save businesses time and money. And who doesn't love a little efficiency boost? So, while AIS might not be the life of the party, it's definitely the friend you want on your side when it comes to keeping your finances in check. Section 9, AIS. Your business can't afford to live without it, and neither can you. In today's fast-paced business world, AIS or accounting information systems is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The digital age demands efficiency, accuracy, and real-time data, and AIS provides just that. From small startups to multinational corporations, businesses of all sizes rely on AIS to manage their finances, make informed decisions, and stay competitive. It helps streamline processes, reduce errors, and provide valuable insights that drive growth and innovation. Think of it like this. Trying to run a business without AIS is like trying to navigate a maze in the dark. You might eventually find your way out, but it's going to be a lot more difficult and terrifying. Without AIS, you're essentially flying blind, making it harder to track expenses, forecast revenues, and ensure compliance. So, embrace the world of AIS. It can transform your business operations, making them more efficient and effective. The initial investment in time and resources will pay off in the long run. It might seem daunting at first, but trust us, your business will thank you for it. The clarity and control it offers are unparalleled, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And hey, if all else fails, you can always blame the robot accountant. But in reality, AIS will be your most reliable partner in navigating the complexities of modern business.